Hello and welcome back to Macuse Signature Kitchen, where simple ingredients turn into bold flavor. Today I'm making a garlic chicken that is juicy, golden, and full of flavor. Let's go over the ingredients. 2 to 3 chicken breasts, black pepper to taste, salt to taste, garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 6 garlic cloves, parsley for garnish, and of course I forgot my secret weapon, my mixed seasoning right in the middle there. Season chicken breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and complete seasoning. Make sure every piece is well coated. Flavor starts with seasoning. Preheat your pan while dice the garlic. Into the hot pan, add olive oil, next, add the butter, let them melt together for a rich paste. Add the chicken and let it sear beautifully. Add the garlic and let everything cook for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side or until it reaches your perfect doneness. Once it's golden, set the chicken aside. In the same pan, saute a few garlic cloves. This will be your garnish. Now comes the best part. Have fun plating, add the garlic around the chicken, top it with a little parsley, and serve it with love. This is simple cooking. the Macuse signature kitchen style. Voila, and enjoy.